Hello and welcome to Everyday English Kit. Listen carefully, try to understand the main ideas, and answer the questions at the end.
Welcome to the Tower of London. This is one of the most famous castles in the world. It is a very old building in the centre of London, next to the River Thames. The tower has a long history. It was a palace for kings and queens, a prison, and even a zoo. But today, many people visit the tower for one special reason: the ravens.
The legend of the ravens. A raven is a large, black bird. It looks like a crow, but it is bigger. At the Tower of London, there are always at least 6 ravens. Why? Because there is an old legend. The legend says that if the ravens ever leave the tower, the Kingdom of England will fall. This means the tower and the monarchy will be in danger. To prevent this, the birds must stay there forever. But who looks after these important birds? There is a special person called the yeoman warder Ravenmaster. He wears a beautiful dark blue and red uniform. The Ravenmaster lives at the tower with the birds. He wakes up very early every morning to let the ravens out of their cages. The Ravenmaster is like a doctor and a chef for the birds. He gives them fresh meat, like beef and chicken. Sometimes, he gives them special biscuits soaked in blood. Ravens love that. He also checks their health every day. To make sure the ravens do not fly away, the Ravenmaster clips their wings just a little bit. It does not hurt the birds, but it keeps them safe inside the tower walls. The names of the ravens. Each raven has a name. For example, some famous ravens are called Jubilee, Harris, and Poppy. They even have different colored bands on their legs, so the Ravenmaster knows who is who. Some ravens are very friendly and like to play with the tourists, but be careful. Ravens have very strong beaks. They are very intelligent birds and can sometimes even talk or copy sounds.
Today, the ravens are a symbol of London. Tourists from all over the world come to take photos of them. The Ravenmaster and his team work hard to keep the legend alive. Next time you visit London, go to the tower and look for these big black birds. But remember, do not feed them your sandwiches.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more practice.